Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. And today we're talking about Visible Wireless and how they are doing this switching hour. So this is kind of a Halloween theme. So it says Visible presents the switching hour, escape those wireless nightmares. So it's kind of pretty cool. It goes with the whole Halloween theme and everything going on. Of course, Halloween is a couple days away from the recording of this video. But let's look at some of the offers that Visible Wireless has to offer you guys. Really good offers, actually. That's why I like Visible Wireless. So it says a gift card up to $200. Spooky good. It says plus select phones up to 31% off. Switch by midnight on Halloween or be haunted by missing out forever. Wow, really cool. So of course this offer ends on 11:59 p.m. Pacific time, October 31st, 2022. So I believe that is Monday, ends Monday at that time. So pretty cool. Like, so you can get a $200 gift card and you can save up to 31% off select phones. It says get up to 31% off those between bewitching phones off these bewitching phones. So the ones I would definitely recommend is the Google Pixel 6a. That's the one that I would actually kind of lean towards. Of course, they do have the Moto Edge 2020, Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max, really good price actually. Whoa, look at that price, guys. It brought it down to $676.20, really good. You also do get an additional gift card. So this one you do get a $200 virtual gift card. Of course, the details is by switching over. We'll look more into that. Some of these only have 100. The Galaxy Z Flip 4, ooh, $690, big discounts. The Pixel 6 Pro, all the way from 88 all the way down to 612. The iPhone 13 Pro, $609.96. The S22 Plus, $695.52. Really good discounts. Look at that. Of course, there's the iPhone 14 Pro, no discounts. Does bring it down to same price. There's no discounts on these, but there are different offers. So we'll get into all that offer stuff in a little bit. But let's look at the Google Pixel 6a per example. This is the one that I would most likely get. Remember, there are different promotions. This one you can get a $200 card to spend almost anywhere. So here are the details. You might be asking, how do you get it? And here it is. Get up to $200 virtual gift card when you switch to Visible. So first you have to join Visible and create your account. Transfer your number from an eligible carrier. Not all of them are eligible within 30 days. So check this out. Here are the eligible carriers. So here we go. AT&T Prepaid, Boost Mobile, Consumer, Cricket, Google Fi, Metro, Mint, Net10, Page Plus, Public Wireless, Republic Wireless, Spectrum Mobile, Sprint, Straight Talk, T-Mobile, T-Mobile Prepaid, Ting, Total Wireless, TracFone, US Cellular, Verizon, Virgin Mobile, Walmart, and Xfinity. So those are the carriers that are eligible, guys. You can still port your number over from any other carrier, but to get these promos, your carrier has to be one of these. So of course, you have to set up your SIM and activate it. And the final step is after completing 3 full months of service payments, you will receive an email with a code to redeem your virtual gift card. Of course, it could be a virtual gift card, and you can use that anywhere that you want that accepts them. Basically, it's like a virtual Visa prepaid card, I believe. But those are the steps to get it. Of course, this phone is 5G ready to run on Visible 5G. Like I said, this is a 6A. So pretty snazzy. I would definitely go with the charcoal. Probably not the chalk. I think the charcoal looks a little bit better, just in my opinion. But you might be saying, what's the unlocking policy? Here's the unlocking policy. You have to have it for 60 days before it can get unlocked. So not too bad, 2 months, and it will get unlocked. So here are the promotions. Like I said, free next day shipping. 6A is a newer phone. They do offer financing via Affirm. So if you do have that, like I said, this phone is discounted to $309.81. It's $25.82 a month for 12 months, 7% APR plus taxes. You can pre-qualify. So you can Affirm. You can do pay in 4, basically 4 payments, or as low as $25.82 a month. So it does give for 1 year. So it does give you 2 different options. Of course, you do get an insurance plan, and you do get a trade-in So you can do a trade-in. You can either be an existing or a new member. Pretty snazzy. So they do trade-ins. That's what I do like about it. So pretty cool overall. Meet Pixel 6a, of course. There's different things about that, but we're really not talking about that. We're looking at all the offers that you can get. So it says no tricks, just $50 treats. Here's another little discount. It says break the spell of expensive service costs by bringing your own phone to Visible and get a $50 gift card. Same thing, offer ends October 31st. So switch from a competing carrier. Well, it doesn't even say switch, just bring your own phone to Visible. So if you have an unlocked iPhone or a Galaxy and you want to bring it over to Visible, they will give you a $50 gift card, which is actually pretty sweet. And of course, you can check compatibility with that. While this haunting you, the switching hour is here. Promotional video. You can enter to a sweepstakes and win $1,031 and a brand new phone. That's all free. You can enter there. Of course, serial contracts and everything. You can get unlimited data as low as $30 a month. Taxes and fees included. Overall, I think these are really good promotions. The best ones, like I said, are these over here. That 6A, I'm kind of eyeing it just because I'm trying to try a different phone. The 14 Pro, of course, is another really good phone that I would get. They do different promotions, but you have to switch over from those competing carriers. And you can also see the prices of these phones. Wow. So if you bump up, wow, that's pretty cool. So if you bump up basically the cost of these, you can get lower payments. And of course, same thing, that a lock-in policy is 60 days, guys. You can add insurance if you want. You can also see trade-ins. If you have trade-ins, get your trade-in estimated. You answer a few questions, find your new phone, send in your old phone, and get paid. It says your credit will be applied to the payment method you use to purchase your phone. If we can't credit that payment method for any reason, you'll receive a prepaid gift card in the amount of the credit card. Either way, you get paid. Wow. So it says, pretty cool. So that's pretty sweet, guys. I would probably have to do this. I would like that deep purple, but yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way, and yeah, let me know if something that you would like to save $200 and get some beats. Really good promos currently. So thank you, guys. And I almost forgot, like I said, you can finance this one. This one does not give you the full payment method, but you can do says for 36 months, $30.53, 256 gig model, or $1,100. They do have the gold, the silver, or the space black. So overall, I think this is a really good promotion, especially if you have a phone to trade up. And of course, all the specs and everything are there. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, guys. Like I said, please comment, rate, subscribe. If you want to support the channel, check out the description below. More videos coming your way. And do you want me to maybe get this phone and unbox it? Who knows? Let's go ahead and find out later. So thank you.